My favorite hair care products in 2021, I've shortlisted 9 of them and each of them have made a dramatic effect on my hair, as you can see here. The first product is the Schwarzkopf Spa Enriching Hair Mask. Exceptionally hydrating, to be used after your shampoo. You can use it almost twice a week or thrice a week depending on how dehydrated your hair is. I discovered this by accident and my hair has never been so hydrated and moisturized ever before, given the fact that my shirt keeps opening up from here. Oh. Given the fact that I color my hair tends to be dry, so this is a fantastic product. The second product is my eternal favorite, the L'Oreal Conditioner. Economical, goes in beautifully, lasts you easily for about a month and a half. I wash my hair every second day and it still lasts me about that much. I love the fact that it is so affordable and gives you such great bomb results. It comes in different formulations. There's a clay, there is a whole lot of others. I just go in between any of the L'Oreal conditioner tubes that is available on Amazon, and each of them delivers fantastic quality. I know a lot of you started using this after I started speaking about it in my videos, and I've loved it. It is a product worth loving. Third product is the Kanto Leavein conditioner for wavy hair. Was a surprise find in 21. Unfortunately, I didn't get to use too much of it because I change my hairstyles so often, and this is the leave-in conditioner. It's fantastic for wavy hair. So if your hair is very frizzy, tends to be very dry and tends to be very flyaway, this gives that weight to your hair without making your hair feel gunky or feeling very loaded with product. So it's a fantastic conditioner. I just love this conditioner. I'm going to be using a lot more of it if I'm going to be keeping my hair in the wavy format, and that generally happens in summers when I don't like to dry my hair. So this is a product worth investing in. My biggest surprise for 2021 was discovering this spray on Amazon. It's called the K-Teen Curl Defining Spray. The beauty of the spray is that it defines your spray without forming a coating on your hair, without giving it that thick texture, without giving it that crinkly texture, and it goes on so beautifully. In fact, this hairstyle that all of you have been raving about, this beautiful beach waves, is because of this spray. I curl my hair, I spray this, and I go over with a comb, a white tooth comb, and it gives you this beautiful bounce to your hair. I've done a video on how I create this look. Make sure you have a look at it. It's going to be listed in the description box. This is a very economical product and it really lasts and gives your hair this beautiful fragrance. I don't even know who's made this product, but this product is going to be the winner in 2022 if a lot of you start using it and you realize what I'm talking about. The other product that I discovered a few years back, and you all have loved it too, is the Detox Shampoo. This shampoo is supposed to stop your hair fall by, it's got Redensil in it and a whole lot of other goodness. I have continued to love this shampoo, and I think it's going to be in my hair care for a very long time. It gives it immediate softness and really arrests excessive hair fall. And the best thing is that it's very good when you're living in a place which has got hard water, which most of our cities do. So it really cuts through the mineral deposits and gives your hair this nice, super soft smoothness to your hair. Absolutely love this shampoo. Talking of shampoos, one of my biggest discoveries of 2021 was this brand called Daughter Earth. I have roasted them a little bit in one of my previous videos, but I've also raved about their products. And I am absolutely in love with their conditioner and shampoo. You can buy this individually. It's a little expensive product. It's $925 for the shampoo and I think $925 for the conditioner as well. But once you use this rice shampoo, I doubt you're ever going to go back to another kind of rice shampoo. This has been an absolute winner of a product for me. And it doesn't have just like a regular rice extract. It has got something called a purple rice extract. And boy, does it soften your hair. I have been using this non-stop. As you can see, this bottle is nearly over. I've been using this for almost 2 months now. You need very little of it and it goes all over your well-drenched hair beautifully. Now the thing is, this is sulfate-free, paraben-free, and also silicone-free apparently. And yet, it's working for my dry hair. I've always said that my hair requires that extra bit of silicone because these kind of shampoos don't deliver it. It is dry. When I color it so much, I have gray hair, I color my hair every 2 weeks. It's going to be dry, right? But this shampoo really delivers on it. However, I still use just a little bit of L'Oreal at the ends of my hair because they're just too dry for any shampoo. L'Oreal still works over there. But the difference is where this used to last me about a month and a half, this is now gone on for almost 3.5 months because I don't need so much of it now. So a winner shampoo. Trust me, once you use it, especially if you have fine hair or if your hair is very roughish and dryish, you will not go back to another shampoo once you start using it. I'm doing a more detailed review on these two products. Stay tuned for it. The other find was, of course, the Trigain protein shampoo. Extremely affordable, and it really works well if you need protein treatment for your hair, especially when your hair becomes very limp, especially in winters. Now this is the shampoo you want to use. It infuses the extra protein in your hair. I think it uses silk protein or quinoa, I'm not sure. I've done a detailed video on it. Make sure you catch it. Excellent shampoo to be used. You could introduce it into your hair care and use it maybe 4 times a month. That's enough, the protein treatment that you really require for your hair. Fantastic value for money as well as great quality for your hair. And of course, we have to talk about the oils that I loved and discovered in this year. The first one is the Sesa onion hair oil. I love the fact that it is so light. It has a nice fragrance and actually does work on your hair fall. I've done a detailed video, you can catch that. It's almost over now, so I'm going to be buying my next bottle very soon. Talking about hair oil, I have to also talk about the 90-day miracle hair oil from the Tribe Concepts. This is so beautiful. It has this nice enriching smell, comforting smell of Ayurvedic herbs, and it does have all of those inside it, and it also prevents your hair fall. In fact, it's supposed to arrest it in 90 days. Now, I don't have very bad hair fall, so I can't say whether it does or it doesn't do, but this oil is an absolute joy to use. This bottle is nearly done. My second bottle is already in, so not letting go of this in 22 also. Let me know what were your favorite hair products, and for more, I'm going to catch you in the comment section. How's my hair looking? You want to catch this look? Make sure you catch the tutorial. I'm going to be listing it in the description box.